Have you ever observed your plant leaf is smaller than its actual size? The same problem I was facing with my plants. But when I started spraying this magical spray, my plant growth increased 2 times, 3 times, even it can be 4 times. Yes, this is true. And I'm going to giving you a proof of that thing in this video. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give a very important tip in gardening, especially for beginners. Let us know the basic knowledge about this magical spray. What is this magical spray? This is nothing but the foliar spray. Basically, foliar spreading is a liquid fertilizer which we give directly to the leaves. Right? And this takes place in the stomata and epidermis. Now we are not going into so deep. Let's see how we can apply this in our plants. Step 1. Prepare your liquid fertilizer. For that, here I am using the spray pump. Instead of this, you can use any hand spray also. Now, I'm going to fill the water inside it. After filling, here I am using this banana peel fertilizer. You can easily make this banana fertilizer at your home. Now here I am adding the 5 spoons of the fertilizer into this spray pump. And if you don't have any kind of liquid fertilizer or nothing, so you can just simply spray the water to your leaf. Step 2. Spray. Now here we are going to spray the fertilizer directly to the leaves. It helps leaves to absorb the nutrition and also it prevents the leaf from the dust. You can spray this spray once in a week, and this spray is useful for all plants, whether it is vegetable plant, foliar plant, flowering plant, or any kind of indoor plant. Guys, here you can see the 2 plants. Both are the syngoniums. I have given the same care to both the plants. But here you can see the difference of this plant. This plant growth is quite good as compared to this one. This is only because of the foliar spray. I have applied the foliar spray on this plant but not on this. Very important tip in gardening, especially for beginners. For that, click on this video and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay connected and keep watching Gourisha Creation. Bye bye.